Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can remove any prefixes or from Excel cell. To show that, I have used a mock data here. So each of the cells in the mock data has labels starting from A, B, C, D, E and a bracket. So I want to remove the first two letters of each cell here. Let's see how we can do that. We'll use something called as length function. So this will calculate the length of each cell. We'll drag this. Now I want to remove the first two letters here. So I will just subtract the length with the number of characters that I want to remove. Now I will use a function called as write. I will use the first one as text and the number that we have calculated here. Now pressing enter, as you can see here, the first two letters has been removed. I can drag it down here. So as you can see, the labels A, B, C, D, E and the bracket is removed from all the cells. Similarly, if I want to remove the few letters of uh, last two letters, so I can do it by using left, same way. So the last two letters have been removed now for each of this. So similarly, this is the example that I've used for last two letters. Even if I want to remove it, let's say 3 or 4 letters, I can do it the same way using the same formula. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.